As we lose mobility, we appreciate handrails, which our cellar stairs definitely needed. But which side? Could we screw it into the concrete wall? How to keep one side open? Internet sites offered solutions. Lowe's sells a neat handrail, but it only went 6.5 feet. Should we use one for the lower and one for the upper on the other side? Checking the building codes clarified. The handrail has got to be continuous for the full length. It needed 1.5 inches for knuckle room. So we decided on the open side, and sites offered more solutions. The rail lock system, removable but too big. The promenade system, nice, but required a wall for the full length. This old house offered wood options, too much carpentry. We scrolled image search and found an exact replica of our cellar stairs with a neat, clean handrail on the open side. It came from Simplified Building and it used key clamps. We figured parts, lengths, ordered the parts. In no time they arrived, packed securely, ready to install. We chalk lined the handrail position to run same height from top to midway using blue tape. At the top we tacked a filler piece, viced the swivel flange, screwed in the lag screws. The midpoint wall support needed to sit further into the wall. So how to cut into the baseboard? We entered these Google search terms, and sure enough, the guidance appeared. The right tool. It was an oscillating saw. We purchased one, and it worked perfectly for what we needed, cutting a spot for the wall support. And clearing knuckle room next to the handrail. To set the line and end point of the lower rail in open space. Finally, ruler measurements on the base of the step work fine for positioning. Then to get the post plumb, we shivved the flange, drilled a hole in the post to insert the box bolt that holds the support fitting. That bolt needed one wrench for a wide bolt, another for the inner bolt, and getting the outside wrench to fit in this opening proved challenging. So we finally used a sheet metal vice grip to get it to work barely. We inserted the second part of the handrail into the first part with the ADA internal coupling. Finally, added the support screws, drilled the holes, started the self-stamping screws with a hammer, and tightened them. I over-tightened one. We trimmed the handrail to length with a pipe cutter, inserted the end caps, and finally, safe transit. The handrail feels great. It's smooth all the way down, solid, strong, and secure. We can easily remove the lower section for moving big objects. It turns out Niagara Falls has been using the same key clamp system, and Tricia surfaced a photo of our 4 red-headed children leaning on a key clamp handrail at Niagara many years ago. Kind of cool serendipity.